Today we're going to talk about audiences in Google Analytics. So welcome back. I got some complaints about my sound. So I am using a microphone now, which will take a lot of more time to edit. But I mean, what do I for you know? Either way, let's get to it. Today we're going to talk about audiences in Google Analytics, and audiences are really great things because they help you do a lot of they help you sort of use Google Analytics to drive some kind of action. So for example, an audience can help you retarget a certain set of users. It can help you in both Google Ads and Google Display and Video 360. It might help you create a secondary dimension within Google Analytics. It might help you create something like a test group that you can test traffic against in Google Optimize. Run sequential ads so that people who have been at one place at one time can then be retargeted with a specific ad to follow that story to then when they visit a third page and when they get a essentially what I'm trying to tell you here is that audiences are what helps you with your storytelling in your advertising when you're using the Google products. But that's one way that you can use them, and then you can just like pepper people with repetitive ads. It helps you do so many different things. So audiences you can find here in your audience tab, and so here what I have done is I have set up an audience for everyone who visits this page, and I want to use that in order to be able to retarget those people who do not do the required action, meaning they don't download the book or they don't click this button and go to Amazon. So that's what I really want to be able to track on this page, and then I want to be able to retarget those users. Now, what I do also want to analyze, or I want to be able to retarget, is everyone who's visited this tutorial page, and I want to try to make them become a subscriber of my YouTube channel. So that will be another thing that I will do. But let's get to how to actually create them. All right, so how can I set up an audience here? Well, I would like to set up an audience that visits this page on my website. And so what I'll do is that I'll go over here to my admin in Google Analytics. And under property here, I have an audience definition. I think I can set up 1,000 of them or something like that, 2,000 perhaps. I don't know. Too many to even count, for me at least. So audience definitions here, and then I hit audiences. Here I found my two audiences that I have, all visitors and those who visit the book page. Now I want to create another audience, but for the people who visit this page. I want to be able to retarget those people, and I want to be able to use them for some other purposes. So I create a new audience, and as you can see, there are several different things here that Google suggests that you could use. But you could also create a new audience, and any one of you who've seen my segments video know how to use this thing. I'm gonna cancel this, and I'm gonna go back. Cancel this, and I'm gonna actually use one of the ones that they've set up themselves, and I'm gonna use users who visited a specific section of my website, because as I said, I want to get all those users who visited this page. What I'll do here is I copy this bit of the URL, because that's what defines this specific page, and I go back to Google Analytics, and you see here they've already preset a condition page contains, and then I need to add this, so I hit the edit button there, and here it's neatly set up under condition, and I paste my page in, and there I can even select it. And now I hit apply, so it only becomes those users who visit this page for this segment. And then over the last 7 days I've had 98 people on that page, and I want to target them a little bit longer to subscribe to my YouTube page. So I say membership duration is 120 days. And this will be liable as an audience. I can use it in my Google Ads display, like all display ads. I will be able to use it for the retargeting search ads, and I will be able to use them in Google Analytics for secondary dimensions and such, as I mentioned in the previous video. So this is good. Now I just give my audience a name and I say Google Analytics page audience. And then I hit next step. Then destination here, I mean, I need to add it to my Google Ads in order for it to work there, and I need to add it to my analytics account in order for it to work there. So then I hit OK. So you see them both added here, and then I hit publish. So there we go. That's my newly created audience. That's how you create an audience. And yeah, next video is going to be about how to actually use them. All right, so if you liked that, then hit the like button. If you want to see more of this stuff, hit the subscribe thing. And this is something that I didn't really understand why YouTubers were saying, but it is important in order for your content to get out there that people hit the like button. Especially if you don't like this, then actually hit the down button so I know, so I can improve the content. If you have some constructive criticism, then go and write a comment on this post. Also comment to me how you intend and how you'd like to use this kind of information. That's all for now. Have a good day. Bye.